Are you struggling with thyroid issues and looking for actionable science-backed tips to start healing your thyroid today? So stick around because in today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 specific strategies which are easy to implement but can have powerful impact on your thyroid and can improve your energy, vitality, and your mood. So let's dive in. Hi, I'm Dr. Anshul Gupta, a board-certified family physician from US with advanced training in functional medicine and integrative medicine. I help people reverse their thyroid conditions by making personalized functional medicine plans. Thyroid disorders are very common, especially in women, and they impact everything from your energy levels to your mood to your weight and as well as your metabolism. But with the right strategies, you can regain control of your thyroid health. So let me share with you these 5 essential tips that is going to make a big impact on your thyroid health. So the very first tip over here is to get the right thyroid test. Most people are only getting one test for their thyroid, which is the TSH, which is the thyroid stimulating hormone. That is not enough to know the complete thyroid functioning. So you need to get complete thyroid profile, plus you need to get yourself checked for Hashimoto's disease. So you know whether you have this autoimmune inflammatory condition damaging your thyroid or not. Following are the tests you need to get. TSH, free T3, free T4, as well as 2 antibodies. One is TPO, which is the thyroid peroxidase antibody, and the other one is thyroglobulin antibodies. These tests are available world over with each and every lab. It's a simple blood draw, so make sure you get the right thyroid test so you know exactly how your thyroid is functioning. The second tip over here is start implementing a thyroid-friendly diet. What you eat can greatly impact your thyroid health, especially for women with hypothyroidism and Hashimoto's disease. A diet rich in iodine, selenium, and zinc is very important. These are the nutrients which support your thyroid function. Selenium is important because it helps the conversion of your inactive thyroid hormone, which is the T4, to the more active form, which is the T3. Zinc is important because it helps in the production of thyroid hormone in your thyroid gland. Same is the role of iodine, that again it helps in the production of thyroid hormone. Most of the people with thyroid disorders are deficient in these minerals. So that's the reason you have to focus on a nutrient dense diet which helps you replenish these vitamins and minerals in your body. So for example, selenium rich foods are Brazil nuts and sunflower seeds. Zinc containing foods are oysters and other seafoods, as well as pumpkin seeds and lentils. Iodine rich foods are seaweed or sea vegetables. Or you can use iodized salts. These are the must include foods in your diet so you can support your thyroid properly. I have made another video where I discuss in detail about a thyroid friendly diet that you can implement. The link will be in the description for you. The third tip over here is to take your thyroid medications correctly. What that means is that you need to take your thyroid medicine first thing in the morning, empty stomach. And for the next 1 hour, you cannot have any other food or any drink or any other supplement or any other medications. One of the biggest mistake people do while taking their thyroid medicine is that they take it either with their tea or coffee. You cannot do that because tea and coffee will interfere with the absorption of your thyroid medication. So you have to take your thyroid medicine empty stomach with only a glass of water. The fourth tip over here is to make sure that you have enough vitamin D in your body. Why vitamin D? Because research is very clear that vitamin D supports your thyroid health. It improves the conversion of your T4 to T3, plus it reduces inflammation in the thyroid, as well as it improves the functioning of your T3 hormone in the body. We have several research studies which tell us that females who have thyroid disorders like hypothyroidism or Hashimoto's disease, their vitamin D levels are really very low. So the first thing you need to do is that you need to get your blood levels done of vitamin D. And if your vitamin D levels are less than 40, then you need to take a supplementation. One mistake everybody does is that they will take vitamin D supplementations for maybe 4 to 6 weeks and then will stop it after that because the blood will show that their vitamin D levels are good. Do not do this mistake. You need to continue taking vitamin D supplementation because if you do not do so, your levels are going to drop down again. And the other thing you need to know about vitamin D is that you need to take a combination of vitamin D with vitamin K2 only. If you're taking only vitamin D, it doesn't get absorbed properly. Plus, it doesn't work properly in your body. By combining it with vitamin K2, it works better, especially for your bones. We have a specific supplement which is a combination of vitamin D and vitamin K2 on our supplement store. If you want to buy it, the link will be in the description. And the last tip, that is the most important tip over here, is that you need to address the underlying inflammation in your body. Yes, inflammation is the biggest trigger of thyroid problem. If you have low thyroid, hypothyroidism or Hashimoto's disease, that means inflammation is raging high in your body. And you need to control this inflammation immediately so that your thyroid can function better. A lot of the symptoms that you have, which is fatigue, being tired, having weight issues, having brain fog problems, having mood issues, all of these are linked to underlying inflammation. As soon as you address this underlying inflammation, your body is going to start feeling better. How you can address this underlying inflammation? Again, diet is the key. Make sure you're including foods like turmeric and ginger, which has high anti-inflammatory potential. Green tea is another food which can reduce inflammation quickly in your body. Plus, going on an anti-inflammatory diet, which is very high in antioxidant foods like non-starchy colorful vegetables. Plus, good quality proteins and good fats. Especially fats which are high in omega-3s will be really good for your body because again they will help lowering inflammation in your body. If you want a supplement, curcumin is a great supplement to help improve your inflammation, or we have made a specific supplement called InflammaPro, which is a combination of turmeric, ginger, boswellia and other anti-inflammatory herbs that will boost lowering your inflammation immediately. Managing your thyroid requires a comprehensive approach. By making these 5 essential changes in your lifestyle, you can support your thyroid function, improve your symptoms, and live a healthier life. Remember, consistency is a key. Make these suggestions as part of your lifestyle, and within a few weeks, you are going to see great results. Overall, you are going to feel much more healthier in your body. So start implementing these changes and share in the comment section what improvements you see. Please like and subscribe to my channel so you keep on getting this great information in the future also, as well as share this video with others who can benefit from this great information. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.